Did you know that spicy foods like chili peppers contain something called capsaicin, which is a compound that raises your body's temperature and increases calorie burn by up to 50 calories per day? Studies have shown that capsaicin boosts metabolism by activating brown fat, which burns energy to produce heat. When it comes to losing weight or maintaining energy levels, metabolism is a crucial player. It's the key to unlocking a healthy and vibrant you. And today we're going to talk about how you can boost your metabolism with some surprising foods that you might not have considered before. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, watching our weight creep up. No matter how hard we try, we just can't seem to shake it off. And the truth is, slow metabolism is often the culprit. It can be frustrating, demotivating, and make it feel like we're fighting a losing battle. But here's the thing, metabolism is not something that we're stuck with. We can change it, and it's not as complicated as you might think. With a few simple tweaks to our diet, we can get our metabolisms firing on all cylinders again. But before we dive into the foods that can help us do just that, let's talk about just how much of an impact slow metabolism can have on our overall health. It's not just about the number on the scale, although that's important too. Slow metabolism can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and a weakened immune system. It can even increase our risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. So it's clear that getting our metabolisms working efficiently is crucial for our overall well-being. So what can we do about it? Well, that's where our 7 surprising foods come in. These foods are metabolism-boosting superstars that can help us shed those extra pounds, increase our energy levels, and support our overall health. And the best part, you might be surprised by just how unexpected some of these foods are. First on our list, we have cinnamon. This spicy little number is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting metabolism. It's been shown to reduce insulin resistance, increase glucose metabolism, and even help us burn more fat. Next, we have green tea. This ancient beverage is packed with catechins, which are compounds that have been shown to increase thermogenesis. That's just a fancy way of saying it helps us burn more calories. Then there's the humble turkey. This lean protein is a great source of tyrosine, an amino acid that helps regulate our thyroid hormones, which are crucial for a healthy metabolism. Next on the list is ginger. This fiery root is a natural and anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major metabolism killer. Next, we have cayenne pepper. This spicy little number is a natural thermogenic, which means it helps us burn more calories. Then there's the mighty oyster mushroom. This delicious little fungi is packed with copper, a mineral that helps support our thyroid function. And finally, we have the most surprising food of all, dairy. That's right, dairy. It's been shown to increase our resting metabolic rate, helping us burn more calories even when we're not active. But of all these foods, the one that might surprise you the most has to be dairy. I mean, who wouldn't love a food that can help us burn more calories? And the best part, it's not just about the calories. Dairy has been shown to support overall health, from our bones to our gut health. And when it comes to boosting metabolism, the benefits are twofold. Not only does dairy increase our resting metabolic rate, but it's also been shown to reduce our risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So there you have it, the 7 surprising foods that can help boost our metabolisms and support our overall health. By incorporating these foods into our diets, we can increase our energy levels, shed those extra pounds, and support our overall well-being. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite metabolism-boosting foods in the comments below. If you want to learn more about how to support your overall health, be sure to subscribe to get notifications when new videos are released.